Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in today. It's been a minute. I'm sure you guys are wondering where is Tope. He hasn't dropped a video in like a few days. But anyways guys, I've been busy with a lot of stuff and I had my property shoot with Tayo. I'm just showing you. So you watch the exclusive stuff. Behind the scenes on the video. It's coming out. I had a music video shoot. I had my own property shoot also. And I still have my 9-to-5 job. So now I have like a schedule that works and I hope to drop more content and be more effective in terms of how I put out videos.
Hi Irene.
Hello.
Thanks for allowing me to use the os, or use the right word. Thanks for allowing me to utilize the os for my shoot. I really appreciate it.
No problem, man.
What do you want to say to the people of the Republic? Was it a great shoot?
Yes, it actually was.
This is not an exam. Like, yes and why?
Well, for one, you guys didn't freak out with the voice. You guys all weren't nervous with her.
Yep.
And she looked after you guys.
Yep.
So it's all good.
Yep. Awesome. Thanks a lot, man. I'll see you soon. Cheers.
Today I've actually shot a video at Regency in Pretoria, Menlyn to be exact. It's a very beautiful place. I'll show you around soon. I just want us to get into the video. I shot a music video here this afternoon. Everything looks great, it looks beautiful. So instead of just leaving like I used to, I decided to like, oh, let me just pass the night here and, you know, use my money. But everything is great. I'll show you the aesthetics of the space. You can get like a washing machine to like, you know, put in your stuff. Your soap goes in here. How do you even open this thing? Okay, I see. Yeah, put your clothes in there. Okay, yeah. Get your dishwasher in here, put your dishes, you can wash. Very nice. Guys, also everything in this place is Miel or Millet or Millet. I don't know. I think it's a French brand, so probably just Regency has gotten like a discount for all of those items in there. The designs are dope, no doubt, no doubt about that. So I have like a very nice painting in here. It is great. And also this fascinating lamp. It's a lamp, but you see the wood on the sides. I think this thing goes for about 9 grand. I've seen it once at a, you know, interior furniture place. Very nice design. Simple and beautiful. Here's the bedroom. What do you think about it? I think this is a beautiful space. The wardrobe too, I think it's very spacious. Like, you have a lot of things to put in here. This is a lot and very nice. Drawers, and also, yeah, you have a safe. If you know, you have $1 million to keep or million of rands to keep, you can put it in there, punch in your safe, and you know, everything is good. Especially your passport, you know. I think the pool is great. Look at that. Blue and beautiful. Here's the ambience of where we're filming. Cool. I find this area very amazing. I had seen a friend that posted a picture of this number, and then I told him, like, KG, I know where you're at. It's Regency, man. The design is simple and beautiful. I like the clock at the top. The vibe. Up there just now. I'm out here chilling, trying to catch the vibe. Everything is great, enjoying the view. And before I knew it, there's a security dude behind me. Then he's telling me about some restrictions about coming to the pool at night. I'm just like, why is it that as soon as I'm trying to catch the vibe or as soon as I've caught the vibe, someone is trying to kill it? Damn it. I find this reception area very amazing. I think it's very pretty, like very beautiful. Check it out, guys. Like, this is the reception. As soon as you walk in, you get to see all of that. Then we return back the keys. I locked mine in. Thank you very much, brother. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Ground floor. Door closing. Elevator is
The vlog.
Oh, vlog, you know what it is. There's some mad talent. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Videos done, everything looks great. We're just drinking wine to, celebrate our little success. No success is little anyways. I'm just grateful that everything went well. The shoot was great. I hope you guys see the outcome of the video. Probably in the next video is the outcome of the video. But anyways, I'm grateful. Thank you guys for watching. Come watch.
There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you haven't liked, bang on the like button. I'll see you guys in a few days. Peace. You thought I left? I didn't go nowhere. Getting access into like flying drones in the air and getting like nice aerial photography shots. I just want to give you a snippet of what I filmed at Santon with Tayo. Guys, you're not ready for this. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you haven't liked, bang on that like. Bang on it. You feel me? Peace. Thank you, my people. I'll see you guys soon.